Hey guys, welcome to the channel. To fix Pushcut server connection issues, follow these steps. First, make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Next, what you're gonna do, swipe down to your control center and then shut down your iPhone and reopen it again, right? And restart the iOS device running the automation server, and you could just go ahead and close the Pushcut and reopen it again, and that should fix it, right? If the problem persists, check network connectivity. Go ahead to the settings, right? Go back to the main settings. Make sure that you have a stable and powerful connection, all right? And that should fix it, all right? And next, what you're gonna do, go back to your screen and verify the API request. Ensure the correct webhook URL and parameters are used. You can go ahead and click your account at the bottom right to check the API and the webhook. And as you can see right here, if you want to verify it, you can see this is the IP. You can copy it and verify it through different third-party websites or apps. And here you're gonna see the API. You can go ahead and see right here, this is the API. You can go ahead and click generate API, and you're gonna be able to see it, and you're gonna copy it in order to verify the webhook and the API, all right? Next, if the problem still persists, go back to the settings, right? And then what you're gonna do, go ahead to the general, scroll a little bit down, click transfer reset iPhone, click reset, and you're gonna click reset network settings. As a last resort, reset network settings on the server device. Remember to keep the Pushcut app in the foreground on the server device, as it can only process requests while visible on screen, all right? So make sure that you keep the screen open while doing it, okay? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you.